You know, for this speech, I trained like Rocky. I punched frozen meat and climbed as many stairs as I possibly could, which wasn't too many. In the end, all I can say is I love this couple. Their happiness is my happiness. Their sadness is my sadness. And their victories are my victories. I wish them all the best.
Dear family and friends, we are gathered here this day in the presence of God to unite Sharie and Brian in marriage.
Sharie, Clary, remember the first day that we met and the first words we ever spoken. We quickly found ourselves running towards each other and soon running through life together. Life threw a lot of challenges and trials our way. Despite the hard times, we've always laughed in the face of adversity, smiled through the pain, and persevered knowing that God had our backs. When we lost Grandine this year, you kept me together with every tear that you dried. I thank you for always being my confidant and for being my best friend in life. I promise to always share my life with you, because as of today, you're no longer alone in this world. With this, Sharie, I promise to be the best husband I can be to you and to our newly formed family.
Brian, you complete me in ways I can't even explain. When we met, I was not in search of love, but I'm thankful and blessed that it found me. You have always been someone that cared for and loved others no matter what. Your drive, energy, and laughter lights up every room and always makes me smile. You say I came into your life at a time when you needed it the most, but the truth is you came into my life when I needed you most. I just didn't know it at the time. Thank you for being my #1 supporter and best friend. You have always pushed me to be a better version of myself and to reach beyond my self-imposed limitations. Today and for the rest of our lives together, I promise to support you, to believe in you on the good days and on the days where you can't see the finish line. I promise to be your comfort and your confidant through sickness, pain, and sorrow. And lastly, I vow to honor you, love you, and cherish you for the rest of our lives.
I declare that Sharie and Brian are no longer two independent persons, but one. What God has joined together, let no man separate. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Brian, you may kiss goodbye. It is now my unique privilege to present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Sharie and Brian Richardson.
As a couple, you guys are strong. I love you all. I know that the future is going to be bright. It's great. It's already bright and great as is. However, there's some glitter on there. And in the future, it will be nothing but spectacular.
I am so excited to be here and, honoring Sharie and Brian as they cross over into the wonderful journey that is marriage. I'm so proud of the both of them. I definitely feel the love in the room.
For the very first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Brian Richardson! Let's go!
Know Sharie, she loves a good laugh. And who better to marry than someone that'll make you laugh all the time? The love you guys share is beautiful. It's genuine, it's pure, it's unconditional.
We shared our highs, we shared our lows, but even in the lows, Brian presents himself as a man that, when met with a problem, works to find a solution. After walking the earth with excellence, he ran across Sharie. Sharie quickly became one of the most used words in Brian's vocabulary. It was clear that in a world of consistent chaos and tumultuous TikTok videos, Brian found a loving partner.